Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your WhatsApp app. You will just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and this is window. We will just go down here and we will click here on apps. Then we come to apps window here, like you say, and we will just go down here to looking for WhatsApp app here, and this is window. And we will just go down, then we will click here on WhatsApp, then we come to this is window here, like you say, on next window. We'll just click here on force stop, then you just click here on OK, then you go down, you will click here on storage, and you will click here on clear cache, then you will click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. It's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.